For this problem in Unit 1, problem number 2, we're just looking at a straight up train track solving linear equation problem. So we're just solving this. And I noticed that I have this 0.5 outside of this binomial, so I have to distribute it to both terms in the binomial. And I will get 2.5 minus 3.5x. And I believe that most people are just fine with that part of it. Problem comes on the right side. This 8 is not next to this binomial here. Therefore, we are not multiplying the 8 to the binomial. However, we do have a negative sign outside of the binomial, which means this negative is applying to both the 4x and the 6. So I can rewrite this as 8 minus 4x minus 6, because this negative sign, negative times a positive is a negative, and positive 6 times negative 1 is negative 6. As soon as I distribute, I get rid of the parentheses because it's going to cause me problems later. So next, let's combine the similar terms. 8 and negative 6 are similar. 8 minus 6 is 2, so I have 2 minus 4x is equal to 2.5 minus 3.5x. All right, so now let's get the x's together so they can have a party. The opposite of negative 4x is positive 4x, so I'm going to add 4x to both sides. So I'll get 0.5x. I've done nothing with the 2.5, so that gets brought down, and that's a positive 0.5x. I still have 2 on the right side. So I'm going to subtract 2.5 because the opposite of positive 2.5 is negative 2.5. And so I will end up with 0.5x is equal to negative 2, my goodness. 2 minus 2.5 is negative 0.5. All right, so the opposite of multiplying x by 0.5 is dividing by 0.5. But you'll remember that dividing by half is the same as multiplying by 2. So I'm going to multiply both these things by 2. Multiply this by 2. And 2 times 1/2 x is just x. Negative 0.5 times 2 is negative 1. So x is equal to negative 1. And then I would type that into my text box. Negative 1. All right.